Alright, we're going to bust another box. Triple Threads Football, 2008. Two hits. Hopefully we don't get Anthony Morelli, because that would suck. Maybe we can get Ali Highsmith.
Stop, you're gonna fucking jinx us. One of those is gonna happen now.
Nothing wrong with Ali Highsmith.
That's not true.
Alright, here we go. Alright, we got steroids on top, Sean Merriman, Brian Westbrook, Donovan McNabb. Here's the hit. Arizona, Matt Leinart, Larry Fitzgerald, Anquan Bolden, triple jersey.
Cool.
Number 2.
He's talented in hot tubs, and he's about to not be a Cardinal. Nice card.
Nice. There's a couple other base cards. Yay. Alright, so here's the autograph pack.
What is that? Why wouldn't they put Kurt Warner on that card? Matt Leinart, give me a break.
Because Matt Leinart likes hot tubs and beer pong. There we go, second pack. This should have the autograph in it. Top card, Bobby Ingram. Oh, that's a great start. Joe Montana. Yeah, looks like we got a silver lining on the side. And it looks like it's a 1 of 1. And it is
Jonathan Stewart.
Jonathan Stewart, 1 of 1. Patch auto.
I'll take that.
Not bad. Not bad. There it is. Bam. And there's the crappy cards. Yay. Okay.
Cool, thanks
See ya.
guys.